Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best grow tents, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best grow tents options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which grow tents is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit. We ranked the Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit best overall because it comes with all the equipment you need to get started. Alongside the tent parts comes an LED grow light, humidity thermometer, ventilation kit with an inline fan, carbon filter, and so much more. Even tinted grow room glasses. We liked that we didn't lose time second guessing if we had the right equipment for the job. The entire setup took about 4 hours. After reading the instructions, the frame and tent were simple to assemble and the adjustable lighting was easy to rig. But other parts of the installation were slightly more complex. The instructions were scattered across the packaging or not included at all. We had trouble finding the main user manual and thermostat instructions, which required research to finish setting up. Number 2. AC Infinity CLOUDLAB Advanced Grow Tent. Not all grow tents have a big footprint. The AC Infinity CLOUDLAB is perfectly sized for apartments or other small homes, taking up about the same amount of space as a wide chair. You can easily tuck it into an unused corner of a communal space, office, or bedroom. In fact, the size we used for testing, 2 by 2 by 6 feet, took up less floor space than we anticipated while leaving plenty of space for plants inside. We easily fit 2 11 to 12 inch planters and thought about adding another smaller one too. It took us about 30 minutes to put together the frame and tent with a few readjustments. But we couldn't use the grow tent until the equipment arrived. The LED light board, ventilation fans, ductwork, and smart controller panel are all sold separately. Number 3. Gorilla Clone Tent. The Gorilla Clone Tent is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their seedlings off the ground. Whether a bad back or a wagging tail is the motivation for elevating your operations, this compact model will fit conveniently on a tabletop, open counter space, or a large desk. Designed specifically for standard seed starting trays, it's much shorter than other grow tents. With a height of 25 to 32 inches, it has plenty of headroom for seeds to sprout, but not for many seedlings to grow to their full potential. While you won't be able to raise large plants like tomatoes or peppers inside, we found it roomy enough to grow cilantro, basil, parsley, mint, oregano, and dill in 8 small clay pots with pleasing results. Our herbs grew fast and healthy. Number 4. Vivosun Gi Smart Grow Tent System. If your schedule doesn't allow you to frequently monitor your plants, you might find that the Vivosun Gi Smart Grow Tent System can help. Just about every function of the tent can be programmed and monitored through an app on your smartphone. An intelligent control system uses dual sensors and 1 probe to monitor changes in both the external and internal environment. This data shows up in the accompanying app in real time, giving you the ability to check and control the temperature, humidity, grow light intensity, and more. During our testing, we ran the fan continually and programmed the light on a 12-hour cycle to support a majesty palm during winter. If you're not the most tech-savvy gardener, we don't think that should stop you from considering this grow tent. We found that the app and controls were fairly easy to set up and navigate during our testing. Number 5. Vivosun 2-in-1 Grow Tent. The Vivosun D548 Grow Tent is ideal for gardeners who want to grow dramatically different plants in the same place all at once. It's made up of 2 smaller interior chambers and 1 larger chamber so that each can be tweaked to meet the exact needs of the plants growing inside. During our testing, we used the different chambers to separate fruits and vegetables in different growth stages. We germinated lettuce seeds in 1 internal chamber and grew 2 mini eggplants, chives, and a potted lemon bush in the large chamber. Clear instructions and helpful illustrations made setup fast and painless. We were able to put together the metal frame and canvas tent in about 20 minutes. Like several grow tents we tested, some components were sold separately. In addition to this grow tent, we also ordered 2 grow lights, 1 strong enough to support the flowering growth stage, and 1 basic grow light to aid germination and propagation.